Namaskar. Hello everyone. RVD here. I hope you all are doing well. A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. We are into our playlist programming in C#. It's next video, video number 11, where we'll be doing one more program, that is area of triangle. Okay, it's again a simple program. The aim of this video is to make yourself more comfortable in doing programming in C#, simple programming. Okay, in previous video we already had started with a very simple program of addition of two integers. In this we'll try to go a step ahead. Okay, let us first understand the question and then we will switch to programming. Okay, so the question goes like, you have to accept three sides of a triangle and you have to find its area. So it is finding the area using the Heroin's formula. So let's see what exactly it means. So suppose I have taken the three sides as ABC. The first thing I need to do is I need to find its semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, so I've got a semi-perimeter and now the area would be given by this formula. Square root of the semi-perimeter is used S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, so that is the whole process. So we'll be accepting three sides, maybe we can keep them as double, then we'll find the semi-perimeter and then we will go ahead for finding area. Okay, so let's head towards the programming. I'll be using Visual Studio 2022. That makes the things very simple for us to do C# programming. Okay, so let's go ahead. So I've kept the initial part ready for you. If you can see, this is a message which asks user to enter three sides of a triangle, and as I said, I'll be accepting double. I shown you in the previous integer how to read an integer variable. In the previous program we had seen how to read an integer variable. Now it's the syntax for reading a double variable. So double A equal to convert dot to double. That's the only change. The function name is changed to to double instead of 2 in 32. Again in bracket you can see console.readline. Likewise I have read all three integers. All three sides as double. Okay. So the next I would need double S, and that is the addition, that is perimeter, divide by 2. Now only doing divide by 2 is enough because ABC are already double, so I'll be getting the actual division. Okay, now I'll be applying the formula. So double area equal to I'll have math dot sqrt, okay, in bracket S into S minus A, the internal brackets are obviously required, into S minus B and into S minus C. Okay, so that's going to be the formula for finding the area using three sides of a triangle. So I've got my area in a variable called area, so I can do the display part, which I've already said console.writeLine. Okay, it directly gives me this ready-made option. I can just add a message for this area of triangle equal to, let us go with this style so that I'll be able to show you some more control that we can take, and this should be comma. Okay, so area of triangle equal to 0 because it's a only single argument, so it is being indexed as 0, and the argument which I want to print is area. Okay, let me remove the extra spaces. Okay, save, let us compile. Okay, yes, so I'm going to now execute. So here we got a message, enter three sides of a triangle. Let me start with the simple one, 3, 4, 5, because we know the result happens to be 6. Okay, for this particular triangle, so the area is supposed to be 6. Now you can see a proper output, area of triangle is equal to 6, which is perfect. Now let us see if at all we work with some other values where we are going to get a good fraction as the answer. So suppose I had given 5, then 13, 13. It's any triangle you can give which is a valid one. So now you can see you got a answer 31 point so many decimal places. Now suppose here the answer is correct, but I want to display the answer only up to 2 decimal places. Now how do I do that? See, that can be done using this particular style. So this is my 0th parameter which I want to decorate. So I'll put a colon and I can very well display the format or put the format 0.00. See what I've done. 0 colon, that 0 at the beginning is the argument number which is 0. After colon we have displayed the format 0.00. That 0 point doesn't matter, that means you can have as many whole number as possible, but after point we have specified 2 zeros, which means there should be only 2 decimal places maximum. Okay, so let us check. Let me save and let us execute. Okay, so I give the similar input and you will see the difference. Okay, you can see the result is being displayed only up to 2 decimal places. Okay, this is a point where you can pause and you can check the format, how exactly the format is being displayed, and you can very well try in your own program. Okay, so area of triangle, we have taken 3 sides, we found the semi-perimeter, then we have applied the formula and we've got the area. Now some of you might be wondering, what if the triangle is not constructible and all these things. Dear, we are at the very basic level where we've just understood how to take input, how to display output, and how to do little processing. As we go ahead, we're going to do control structures where we'll be having decision making, we'll have loops, we'll have whatnot like switch cases and so on. And that is a point where we will be in a position to do the checking. So currently the answer to this is, we are assuming that what 3 sides we get, they're forming a valid triangle. If they don't form a valid triangle, then obviously you will not be getting a proper answer. Okay, so as and when we'll go ahead, you would obviously be able to do the same program again, but there you'll be able to check if it is really forming a triangle, you will display or you will find the area. If not, you will be displaying the error message. Okay, soon maybe you would be in a position to do such type of programming as well. Okay, but the current focus was on finding the area of a given triangle, a triangle with the 3 sides. Okay, so we've done one more program and I hope you people have got it very clearly. The highlight here is we had used double, so we had seen how to read the double variable from the user. Secondly, we had used a math function, so you can simply see math dot and the name of the function is enough to work with math functions. Okay, so that's it for the current video. Thank you and wish you a very happy learning.